Hi, in this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to alphabetize list in Microsoft Word. Whether you are organizing a list of names, products or any other data, this tutorial will help you keep everything in perfect order. So let's start the video. First, open your Microsoft Word document containing the list that you want to sort. So this is the list of cities that we want to sort alphabetically in Word. So select it. Now click on the Home tab in the Word ribbon. And in the paragraph section, click on the sort button represented by A to Z icon. So click on it. A sort text dialog box will appear. Here you can choose how you want to sort your list. By default, it will sort by paragraphs and text. Ensure ascending is selected if you want to alphabetize from A to Z. Now click on the OK button. And your list is now sorted in ascending order. So that's how to alphabetize in Word. Thanks for watching.